AM versus FM radio. Welcome to this presentation on AM versus FM radio. Today, we'll explore the key differences between amplitude modulation and frequency modulation, how they work, their strengths, and where each is used. Introduction. Radio broadcasting uses electromagnetic waves to carry sound across distances. The two major types are AM, amplitude modulation, and FM, frequency modulation. While both transmit audio signals, they differ in how the signal is encoded, resulting in distinct sound quality and range. Technical differences. In amplitude modulation, or AM, the amplitude of the carrier wave changes with the sound signal, while the frequency stays constant. In frequency modulation, or FM, it's the frequency that changes while the amplitude remains constant. AM usually operates in the 535 to 1605 kHz range, while FM uses a much higher 88 to 108 MHz range. This difference in frequency leads to major variations in quality and coverage. AM versus FM comparison table. Here is a side-by-side comparison of AM and FM radio. AM varies amplitude, FM varies frequency. AM operates in a lower frequency band and has a narrower bandwidth, making it more prone to noise but capable of traveling farther, especially at night. FM, on the other hand, offers wider bandwidth, much clearer sound, and better resistance to interference, though it doesn't travel as far. That's why AM is used mainly for talk and news broadcasts, while FM is preferred for music and entertainment. Summary. To sum up, AM and FM each have unique strengths. AM provides greater coverage and is cost-effective but has lower sound quality. FM offers superior audio clarity and less interference, ideal for music and local broadcasting. Both technologies continue to coexist, serving different listener needs across the world.